Hey guys, welcome to SolutionsRoom. Let's not waste any time and jump straight into this review video. This blackhead remover is upgraded with a hot compress function which makes it easy to get rid of blackheads and all the other nasty stuff. This can be found on Amazon from a company called Cocopa. I've added the link in the description below. It comes in a white secure packaging. Yeah, let's open it up. So it comes with a £20 gift card and a life warranty, which is great. Here's a little instructions manual explaining how to use the product, all the different functions and different head pieces. So here we have the actual device, the variety of heads for different skin types and the charging lead. So here we have the on and off button, which you simply press down on and it will just turn on. Here we are. So you can change the level of suctions for all skin types. Just press the mode button to switch. As you can see, it's moved from low to medium and high. Now to turn the heat compression function on, just press the on and off button again, and you can see it change to hot, meaning it will start to heat up. So I'm just going to leave it for 2 minutes for it to heat up. So coming back to it, let's see how warm it got. So it's nice to touch actually. The face skin is more delicate than the hand skin, so when it touches on the hand it feels nice, but let's see how hot it feels on the nose. So it's been on for 5 minutes now, still nice and warm, getting right in the corners because that's where I usually get more oil and whiteheads really. Start using the device. As you can see, not a lot of redness, just a little pink, so it's not painful. I've literally used this twice a week and my nose is so clean. All that came out was a little whitehead and some minimal grease. To charge this little bad boy, you have the charging port and the lead. I've been using a Samsung plug and it does a great job actually. Just insert it into the charging port and here you have it. The red charging symbol is on. That's all for today guys. I hope this video was quick but informative. If you'd like to purchase it, feel free to click the link below in the description box because this upgraded edition with a heat compress is amazing. That's all for today guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.